This left behind only a sole island above water. It is the last bastion of tropical seabirds, Johnston Atoll. Deep under the Pacific Ocean a long time ago, tiny pieces of sea rock, salt water, and sand all together mixed for a very long time. But it is very special, the start of Johnston Atoll itself. Johnston Atoll never had any indigenous Johnstonian inhabitants, but tropical seabirds, which consisted of frigate-birds, chopping birds, sooty terns, brown noddies, and buoy birds. Tropical seabirds are not the only sole survivors. There are also more survivors from the surrounding waters. Not only a tiny speck in the Pacific is the only land above water, the shallow seas surrounding Johnston Atoll are all there.